The first thing you'll want to do after checking through all the accessories and attachments for your H2O X5 steam mop is to take the little plastic cup it comes with and fill it with water. You can use plain old tap water, and I usually fill it up to the top of the line. Then turn the knob on the water chamber to open it up and then pour the water in. Notice how the cup has a little lip to make it easier to not spill the water while pouring it into the chamber. Once you have enough water inside the chamber, plug it up with the knob. Make sure you turn the knob so that the blue dot on the knob lines up with the picture of a lock because we don't want any water leaking out. Now we're going to assemble the steam mop. First, we need to attach the two handles together. Here we want to make sure to line up the little button nodule with the hole. When you have inserted the two pieces into place, you should hear a click. Then attach the handheld unit to the bottom of the handle, lining up the little button nodule to the hole. Next, attach the mop head to the handheld unit. Once attached, you can swivel the mop head around. There are 5 Velcro pieces that need to be aligned between the bottom of the mop head and the microfiber floor pad. Once they're lined up, press down on the floor pad to make sure it's secured to the mop head. Once you have the power cord plugged into a power outlet, you'll see the power button located above the steam dial turn orange. You can then use the dial to set the steam level. For hardwood floors, I would recommend the lowest setting. You could use higher settings for other types of flooring, including marble, granite, tile, and laminate. Once the water is hot enough, the power button will turn green, which means it's ready to get to work. You'll be able to see the steam come out of the mop head, and from there you can start steam mopping your floors. The unit is pretty lightweight and it's very easy to maneuver. The mop head glides easily across the floor, and with the hot steam, the floors dry very quickly. And the great thing about using this mop to clean, it only requires water, so no additional cleaning solution or detergents are required. Not only are we left with clean floors, but there's also no cleaning solution smell after the floors are mopped. Then, if you want to steam your carpets, take the triangular glider and place it on the bottom of the mop head. Flip the mop head back into position and then you can start steaming your carpet. Overall, I find the H2O X5 Steam Mop a convenient way to clean floors without much effort. And I especially like the triangular mop head because it swivels so you can get into the grooves and corners very easily.